Hey friends, hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Pundi X token. I'm expecting a new wave to the upside by the price action of Pundi X. Why? Let me to tell you. In my previous video, I told you that the price action of Pundi X on the daily chart, on the 2-day chart in fact, it has formed a cup and handle formation. It was retraced up to 0.50 Fibonacci retracement from the bottom of the cup up to this top, and this is the resistance of this cup at 2400 satoshis, and I was expecting that from here, or maybe it will be retraced up to 0.786 or 618 Fibonacci retracement level, and from there it will break out this resistance of the handle, and after that it will make another attempt to break out this resistance of the cup as well, because whenever the price action of any asset forms the cup and handle formation or pattern, after breaking out the resistance of the handle, it also tries to break out the resistance of the cup as well. Now I'm just playing this chart. I posted this idea on 20th of July, and now you can see that the price action has broken out this resistance of the cup, and after that it has attempted to break out this resistance of the cup as well after breaking out this handle, and now it is moved back again. And if we watch the exponential moving averages with the time period of 10 and 21, and this is the 20, let me change it to 21. Now the price action has broken down the exponential moving averages 10 and 21 on the daily chart. Okay, this is also a very positive move, because you can see since the price action has started this rally to the upside after the mid of March 2020, whenever the price action breaks down this these two EMAs, the EMA 10 and 21 both, after 1 or 2 or 3 4 candles, it again breaks out these EMAs. So you can see the price action broke down these two EMAs here in the month of April 2020. Then it again broke out these two EMAs here. The price action again broke down these two EMAs and broke out again. And here we have seen the same kind of movement here. And now finally the price action has again broken down these two exponential moving averages and likely to move up again. This time there are more strong chances that it will be moved up, and these two EMAs will be broken out again. Why? Because if we watch on the daily chart, the price action is in fact moving in an up channel, and at this time the price action is at the support of this channel. Therefore we can see that this support of the channel has been working as a very strong support for the price line of Pundi X since after March 2020. And at this time the price action, after hitting at this support, you can see that we have seen a green bullish candlestick is getting appeared at the support. Therefore we can expect that it will be moved up, and it will again try to break out this resistance of the channel. This is the cup and handle formation, and this is the resistance of the cup, and we can expect that maybe this time the price action will break out this resistance that is 2400 satoshis. For example, it will be not broken out, and if the price action will continue its movement within this channel, then we can expect that soon this resistance will be broken out, because if the price action will be moved in this way and continue its movement in this channel, then definitely the price line will be moved up, and someday it will be, maybe within a few days or within the next month, this resistance will be broken out. And after this resistance, when this resistance will be broken out, we can expect another really very powerful bullish move on the long term. For example, let me take you to the weekly chart, and this is the Ichimoku cloud, and this is a very important indicator. Japanese took almost 30 years to develop this tool, and using this indicator you can have an idea whether the price action will be moved up or moved down in the future. So it is really very helpful to predict about the price line of any asset. So whenever this cloud is in red color, this is called the bearish cloud, and when it turns in green color, that is called the bullish cloud. So we can see that at this time this bearish cloud is getting squeezed, and soon it will be turned bullish in green color. When it will be turned bullish, then we can expect that the price action will soon break out this bearish cloud, because this red or bearish cloud works as a very strong resistance whenever it is above the candlesticks, and whenever it is below the candlestick, it works a very weak support. But if we have the green or bullish cloud just below the candlestick, that works as a very strong support. And if we have the green bullish cloud above the candlesticks, then it works as a very weak resistance. So we can expect that once it will be turned bullish, as it is turning or getting squeezed at this time, then it will be easy for the price line to cross up, or maybe it will be moved up to this resistance of the cloud very soon on the long term. But at this time, on the short term daily chart, I'm expecting that the price action will move up to this resistance of the channel. So I'm expecting a wave to the upside up to this level, and it can be almost 20 to 21% bullish rally. And you can also take the benefit of the situation, and you can buy it here and sell it at the resistance here. So it will be a good opportunity to take it as a single trade. And we have already seen that the price action is showing a good gesture. Whenever it is breaking down these two EMAs, it is breaking out again. So at this time, it is likely to break out these EMAs again. So I'm expecting that once again the price action will be moved up to this level, and I'm also expecting that the price action will continue its movement within this up channel, and on the long term it will be moved up to this resistance of the cloud very soon. As in my previous video, we were expecting that the price action will move up to this resistance level, and at this time I'm expecting that the price action will again move up to this level, or at least up to this resistance of the cup again. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like, do subscribe to my channel, and do share my videos as well, and do share your comments and opinions in the comment section with me as well. Take care. Goodbye.